Hello guys. In this video I am gonna show you the how to run X files in our Android devices. So let's get into the video. To download the emulator app, you will find the download link in the video description. First, install the app and then open it. Once you have opened the app, close it. Now, copy the OBB file and paste it into the app OBB folder. Next, open the app and click on the plus option. Set the screen resolution to 800 to 600. If you have an Adreno GPU, set the graphic driver to Turnip plus Zinc. If you have a Mali GPU, set the graphic driver to Virgil. If you want to check the specifications of your phone's GPU, you can do so by opening Google search and typing in your phone model along with GSM Arena. Once you have opened the GSM Arena website, scroll down until you see the Platform tab. Click on it, and the website will display the specifications of your phone's GPU. This will give you the information you need to know about your GPU. And set the DX wrapper to Win D3D. Finally, click the Show FPS button. Next, select the option of CPU 1 to 7. Then, go to the Win Registry Keys tab and set the GPU name to 9600GT or 9800GT. Set the video memory size to 2048 or 4096. Now, go to the DX Components tab and select the Direct Sound. Set Bulletwine to Native Windows and go to the Drives tab. You will find that the download folder is already added. However, if you want to add a new drive, click the Add option and then click the search icon. Create a new drive and select the folder you want to set as the drive for this emulator. Finally, save the container by clicking the tick option. Click the three-dot button and select the Run option. After a few minutes, Windows will start and you can open the drive where you have stored the game or X files. Open the X file and the game will start. Click the Back option and the navigation pane will open. Click the Input Controls option and select the Layout option you want. If you want to customize the controls, click the Settings option and then click the Controls Editor. You can customize the controls according to your preference. Once you are done, click the Save option. Remember, the game's performance depends on your mobile's performance. So that's all guys, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts just ask in the comment section. If you want to learn some of the coolest things about your Android, just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel and turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates.